How to create a Forex demo account. Hello everyone. A Forex demo account is a great way to explore the market and practice using the trading platform, completely free and without any risk. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Forex demo account. To create an account and receive attractive offers from the Forex broker, visit trading68.com/broker name. Or click on the Forex account creation link in the description of this video. Now let's take Exness as an example. You can visit Exness at trading68.com/Exness. For other Forex brokers, simply replace the Forex broker name. Alright, let's get into it. Now you'll see the main interface of the website. Click Register. In the first part, you need to enter your country, region of residence, email address, and password. Note: the password must be between 8 to 15 characters, at least one upper and one lowercase letter, at least one number, at least one special character. I'll use the password on the screen as an example. Click Continue to move to the next section. Choose Trading Account. There are two types of accounts, Demo Account and Real Account. I choose Demo Account. Click here. Then, click Personal Area. In My Account section, this is where you manage your trading accounts. Exness offers two main types of accounts, Real Accounts and Demo Accounts. This is a real account that Exness created for users. This is a demo account that Exness created for users. To open a demo account, click Open Account. There are many types of accounts here, but I will choose Standard Account as the most basic and popular account type. Click Continue. Click Demo. In this part, you need to enter currency, starting balance, nickname, max leverage, platform, and create a trading password. Note: the password must be between 8 to 15 characters, at least one upper and one lowercase letter, at least one number, at least one special character. I'll use the password on the screen as an example. Click Create Account. This is the demo account I just created. To be able to log into your newly created demo account into the trading platform, you need to know some information such as the server, login account number and account password. To find account information, click here.
Click
Account information. This is the account information table. You can find the server and login account number here. The password to log into your account is the password you has just created. Now, you can log into your account and start making transactions. You can refer to the video tutorial, how to install and log into MT4 and MT5, which I have given in the description of this video. I have completed instructions for creating a Forex demo account. Wishing you success in your investment journey.